Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this great little 108 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got leather interior, there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. There's also lane departure warning, active city brake, you get air conditioning and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower and it's done just over 9,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.